Oh, you win $50,000. We've got the check for $25,000 to Children's National for Pediatric Cancer Research.
I think it was twofold. One, you see this thing saying you can win a car, and that's always exciting. But as I thought more about it, it was an opportunity to give more of myself to an organization that I've come to really appreciate and love.
What attracted me the most was when I first saw the announcement. So I was like, let me sign up, see if they choose me. Like maybe I'll donate the car to charity, and perhaps I'll raise some money for my institution.
Just enjoy the experience. It was a lot of fun. Scary, but a lot of fun.
In the mini breaks, make sure that you take the time to do a little bit of stretching.
Come prepared with warm clothes, a blanket, and 2 pillows.
Do not fall asleep too deep. Stay close to the car.
Remember that this is more than just about you. There's an opportunity to win a car. You're really helping a cause and making a difference in a lot of people's lives.
You'll make it. Just remember why you're there.
Go Georgetown, Lombardi. We got this 2 years in a row.
Go Georgetown, Lombardi.
To all my children's employees and colleagues, I really think you should do this, and I really think we're going to win this year.
Go Children's. Last year we made it to the end, cheering for you, and you're going to get this check.